my people especially, to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hi cousins, it's your girl Rose, and I am back in Walmart, and they are really showing out this year with the plants. Like, I think these actually just came off the truck, so that's probably why there's boxes everywhere around me. As you can see, they are like unloading and getting all of this out for the people. But I just wanted to show y'all because this year they are showing out, okay? So I am at the Walmart in Karen Crow, Louisiana, and I'm going to show you just a little selection. It's not a huge Walmart, but I'm going to show you a selection of what they have, okay? One sec. Okay. First thing I saw, they have beautiful Fiddly Fig Trees. They have gorgeous FLFs. So those are beautiful. They have Dieffenbachias down here. And, you know, I love those in my garden and in my house. Of course, they have your pothos over here. They have some Birkins over here. Look way back there. Look great. Oh my God. They are really, and not only that, not only are you seeing like good quality plants this year, but look at the pots. The pots are pots that you can keep in your house. Like, you wouldn't be ashamed to keep your plants in these. Look at these. Look. Oh, okay. But this is what really took the cake, okay? They have monsteras, and healthy monsteras. Look, they are already growing new leaves. So you're going to get you a monstera that not only is beautiful and healthy and thick leaves, but they are already producing new leaves. So you know that they're going to keep growing year after year. Look how big. This is a peace lily. Look how huge the peace lily is. Hold on, let me back up some. I need you to be able to see how big this peace lily is. That is huge. I want to say that's at least 2 feet, 2.5 feet tall peace lily. Let's see, there's fern right here. They have just gone all the way out. It's very organized this year because, you know, last year it was a little iffy in the garden section. But here's some mini succulents. This is worth it this year, guys. So check out your local Walmart and even check out your local plant nursery. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous, guys. They all look healthy so far. And yes, like I said, they just came out of the boxes. So, you know, they're all organized and pretty and new looking. But these are beautiful. Look at these snake plants. Look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. All of it. I cannot. I can't. I can't. I have not seen these in a Walmart. And I don't, what? I have not. Maybe in some other ones, guys. I don't know. But these are actual ceramic pots. They're very nice. They're very pretty. They're at reasonable prices. So you're not going to come in and, you know, break the bank just to get a plant that you've had on your list to check off. Like, you can get it all here. Now, once again, there's a lot of boxes, so there's probably more plants in here that I can't even see yet that they're going to be putting out soon. But come to your local Walmart. And that's it. Bye, guys. Love ya.